What you are about to watch is not a real construction site. It is an AI recreated model built from an original design concept designed purely to help you visualize space, texture, and light. Consider it a reference, a spark for your own ideas. Now let the transformation begin. The cottage stands in ruin. Rusted metal sags on the roof, brick walls where decades of grime and broken windows stare out like empty eyes. An elderly homeowner walks the site with engineers and a decision is made. This house will live again. Workers begin with water and pressure stripping moss from the old red-brown brick. Mortar joints are repointed, one by one, restoring structural honesty beneath the surface. Why does this matter? Because a facade is not decoration, it is memory made visible. The roof sheds its rust and takes on a charcoal-graphite finish paired with black fascia and gable trim. Black-framed windows return, divided light glass catching the sun. A cottage door fitted with brass hardware completes the entrance. The house exhales. Landscape work begins in parallel. Dead vegetation is cleared, broken path edges are removed, and a curved walkway of beige-gray pavers takes their place. The ground is releveled, topsoil spread, turf laid soft and green. Then comes the planting. Hydrangeas, boxwood, ornamental grasses, lavender, each chosen not by chance but by climate and character. These are plants built for structure and resilience, ones that soften stone without demanding constant care. Inside the living room, a coffered ceiling peels above a fireplace choked with dust, but beneath damage, character survives. Plaster is repaired, ceiling panels sanded back to their original detail. The fireplace becomes the room's anchor once more, framed by a walnut-stained mantel and matching built-in shelves. Old timber floors are sanded, refinished to a soft walnut glow. Warm cream walls now hold a brown leather sofa, sage green armchairs, a Persian-style rug. Botanical prints line the walls. When the lantern chandelier is finally switched on, the homeowner simply stands and watches the light. The kitchen was once unusable, walls blistered, slate floor buried under debris. Real restoration starts unseen inside the walls with new plumbing and wiring built for modern life. Wood crown molding frames the ceiling. The original stone floor is cleaned, regrouted, given back its texture. Honey brown oak cabinetry rises next, topped with dark green countertops and a farmhouse sink built for daily use, not display. Deep green glazed tile forms the backsplash, a quiet visual anchor. A solid wood table and copper cookware complete the space. This is not a showroom kitchen. It is a rustic heart built to be lived in. the bedroom, workers repair a coffered wood ceiling and a brick fireplace wall, adding a relief plaque and botanical metal art, details that whisper rather than shout. Soft ivory walls become a canvas. A dark wood bed, upholstered headboard, cream and green bedding, these bring warmth without excess. Recessed lighting and a wrought iron chandelier replace what once hung broken. Last comes the bathroom, once damp, once forgotten. Copper piping and waterproof membranes rebuild what no one sees but everyone relies on. Then comes the transformation above. River stones, hand-laid, form the floor. Textured mineral plaster covers the upper walls, handcrafted, imperfect, alive. A darkwood double vanity holds brass faucets and white vessel sinks. A frameless glass shower features bronze rainfall fixtures. Moss artwork and amber cove lighting finish the room. What was once cold becomes something closer to a spa, natural texture meeting modern restraint. This project proves a simple truth. Good design does not erase the past, it listens to it and builds forward with respect. Brick, timber, stone, each material chosen not for trend, but for what the climate demands and the architecture deserves. If this reference model sparked even one idea for your own space, that is the point. Share your thoughts below, tell us which room spoke to you most. And if you want more stories like this one, houses reborn, spaces reimagined, subscribe to the channel. The next transformation is already waiting.